Hi Algebra! This is a mini video that is going to get you started on today's assignment. Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is print out the worksheet, the PDF of the review with distributing. If you don't have a printer, we're going to make our own worksheet like this. So take your piece of paper, okay, and we're going to draw a line right down the middle. Or you could do this with folding. Fold your paper hot dog style. And then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it 2 times, okay, the lengthwise, 1, 2. So essentially what you need to do, okay, is make the worksheet have 8 boxes on it. Okay, so up at the top, our first problem up here that I want to review with you is how to distribute a monomial into parentheses. So the first problem right here says 2x times the quantity 3x cubed minus 8x plus 7. So when we distribute a monomial, it has to be given to all the terms in the parentheses. Okay, so how do you distribute? Well, we're going to do it one step at a time. The first thing you're going to distribute, okay, think about the positives and the negatives. The second thing I want you to do, okay, is multiply the numbers. And then the third thing I want you to do is consider the variables, and what you do is you add the exponents. Okay, so a positive 2 times a positive 3 is a positive. Now let's go ahead and multiply the numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we'll do the variables. If I distribute, or I give him one more x, he used to have 3 x's, I give him one more, now he has 4 x's, because the power on x is just 1. Okay. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 8 is 16. Multiply the numbers. Now I'm going to multiply x times x, but what you do is you add the exponents. So he has 1x here times another x there. That's going to make x squared. Okay, and then finally, this is plus 14x. Okay, and that monomial has been distributed. Let's take a look at the second one. This one, you're going to distribute a negative. Okay, so you're just going to make sure we think about these rules carefully. I'm going to distribute a negative times a positive. So what's that answer going to be? It's going to be negative. How about 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20. So we're multiplying the numbers. Now let's take a look at the variables. There's 2 x's here times 4 x's there. So how many x's does he now have? Add the powers. That's going to make 6. Okay. How did I get 6? X squared times x to the 4th. There's 2 x's times 4 x's. How many x's is that? That's going to be 6 x's, right? Okay, we got 2 more terms to distribute. A negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 7 is 28. Now how about the x's? 2 x's multiplied by 3 more x's. So how many x's is that? That's going to be 5. Okay, last time. Negative times positive is negative. 4 times 3 is 12. How many x's does he have? If I give 2 more x's to that single x, he'll have a total of 3. Since the polynomial here is in descending order, it's in standard form, my answer is going to be in descending order. Okay, so the first 2 problems we did together, you should have 6 more boxes on the rest of that paper that you made. Okay? And so here are the problems. You can go ahead and pause the video if you need to see these problems and write them down. And after you've completed them, I need you to upload a picture in Google Classroom of all your work. Good luck.